The Nuwave Double Induction Cooktop features two powerful induction cooking surfaces, providing the convenience of a traditional stovetop with the added benefit of portability. With the ability to adjust the temperature on the fly, the cooktop's intuitive digital controls allow for immediate response without need to restart your cooking process. This cooktop offers 94 pre-programmed temperature settings, ranging from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 575 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for precise temperature control. Each side of the cooktop has independent controls, enabling you to cook different dishes simultaneously with large 8-inch heating coils and a weight capacity of 25 pounds per side. The Nuwave Double Induction Cooktop is designed to inspire culinary creativity, allowing you to prepare everything from simple breakfasts to elaborate dinners with ease. As a pioneer in induction cooking technology, Nuwave's innovation sets a new standard by offering precision temperatures previously unavailable in the market.